we're here in Hollywood at a very iconic theater. How cool is it to be here and be a Hollywood star and have this whole event for us today?
I'm so happy to be here tonight na maraming pumunta mga fans, mga celebrity, Hollywood celebrity. At I'm very surprised sa attendance, sa lahat ng mga dumalo. Mataas yung pila at daming mga hindi lang Pilipino ang pumunta at marami pa mga American people na sumuporta dito sa premiere night. Talagang sold out yung ticket, kulang pa, marami pang tumatawag sa amin about tickets dahil gusto pa nila manood pero yun lang, limited lang yung capacity ng theater.
So the director said it took him a year to convince you to do the film. What is finally the thing that he said that agreed to do this film?
Yung explanation niya about to make this documentary, na-convince ako and then nag-agree ako na gagawin namin dahil ito ay makapagbigay ng inspiration sa ating mga kababayan.